Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Audi Q3. So from any screen, actually I'm not sure whether it'll work, we'll just knock the parking aid off, there you go. So from any screen, on the radio there, we'll click on nav, and there we go, these buttons here correspond to the instructions in the corner. So there you see, if you click that one, that's map, and shows you where you're going basically. You've now got destination there and settings in the right. So if we click that again, destination, and here we go, you've got town or postcode there, so we'll click on that. And then you've got this thumb wheel, which I think is a pretty good idea. It's a lot better than moving across a touch screen. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and the postcode is PR. Now we need to go to numbers. So we go down here. It's not immediately obvious. See there, in the corner, 0 to 9. So it's that button. And then we're on 5, 4. So PR5, 4, defaulted back to letters, J, S. And that's us, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. It's asking if I want to put a street in. I don't. Centre, I'll just click centre, and then start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2017 Audi Q3. So here we go, from any screen, you've got telephone there or menu, so you can get to it both ways. But if we go to telephone, you've got settings in the bottom right hand corner, so that corresponds to this button. So click settings, telephone settings, and then you've got Bluetooth down there. We'll go to Bluetooth. You see there, Bluetooth on. If you're having any trouble, just go there and make sure Bluetooth is on there. And then you've got discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want. So we click to select, and you see there Barry's iPhone 11. So if I click on that, you've got the first one is delete device, or you can connect to hands-free or the audio player. So if you're in the car and your phone's connected to hands-free, but you want to play somebody else's music and that's paired, then you can select their audio player. So I want to delete my phone. Do you want to delete? Yes. The device has been deleted, so that's it. I'll just, there's 1 or 2 phones in here, I'll just delete these while I'm at it. So select the phone, delete, move to yes, click delete. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi Q3. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so. Now, then again, you can either go to menu or telephone. If we just click telephone there, you've got Bluetooth, discoverability, audio player, find Bluetooth devices. So we'll scroll down to find Bluetooth devices, click. Please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone and discoverability is switched on. So continue here. That's one of my cameras. In fact, it's the camera that you're viewing this on, that it's picked up via Bluetooth. But it's thinking about it here. It's looking for the phone. It may take a little while because sometimes I confuse it because I've just deleted it off this mobile in order to show you how to pair it. So there you go, Barry's iPhone 11. So we'll click on that, and it's got hands-free and audio player. Well, hands-free. Here we go, pair, Bluetooth pairing request, 356572. Does it match? Yes, it does. So click pair there and click yes there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? You will. I won't be using the car for the moment anyway. And there we go, Audi MMI 3789 connected. So that's it. That's how you connect your phone. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi Q3. So first of all, select your iTunes. You see there that now at the bottom there's a red triangle with 3 red circles, and you can see there's a tick by Audi. So this is going to play. I'm going to turn that down there. We'll go back, click play. Now I go here to media, and that's actually come onto my phone straight away. But you may have to click it a couple of times because it's if it's on radio, you click media. That's on the CDs that's already in. That's on an SD card, and then I think that this one will be, yes, my phone. So now if I turn this up, getting confused there. So if I turn this up and then I turn my phone, I can only do it quickly. Otherwise, I'll get a copyright infringement. But there you go. That's my phone playing through this system. Really easy, and it's a great system in the Audi. You'll be really pleased with it. Thanks for watching.